In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create basketball jersey design in Canva. We'll build a clean custom jersey concept from a template. Add classic jersey details. Drop in a team logo, set player name and number. And export a high-quality file you can share or send to a printer. First, open Canva and use the search bar to look for basketball jersey or shirt. Both queries will surface ready-made bases with the right proportions. Pick a template that matches the mood you want: modern, retro, or minimal, and click to open it on the canvas. You can edit any color you see. So don't worry if it isn't perfect yet. Think of this base as your mannequin. It gives you a clear outline to decorate without starting from scratch. Next, head to the Elements tab and search for jersey designs. You'll see stripes, patterns, side panels, piping, and neck details. Drag items onto the canvas and resize them using the corner handles. Most elements let you change colors. Use your team palette for a consistent look. To keep everything tidy, use the position controls to bring elements forward or backward. And align them to the center or edges. Duplicate stripes to keep spacing even and rotate elements for diagonal accents. If something feels heavy, lower the transparency slightly so the uniform reads clean from a distance. For logos and graphics, you can upload your own mark or search within Elements for jersey logos or sports symbols to find crest-style icons. Choose simple, bold graphics that scale well and stick to 2 or 3 colors. Place the primary logo on the chest or upper corner and give it breathing room from the neckline and edges. If you are using uploaded artwork, a transparent background will look the most professional. Now add text and numbers. Insert a text box for the player name and another for the number. Blocky, athletic fonts work great for numbers, while a clean sans serif keeps names readable. Adjust size, letter spacing, and color for contrast against the base fabric. Use the alignment guides so the number sits centered and the name tracks straight. If your template includes outlines or shadows, match those styles for cohesion. When everything looks right, click Share. Then download. Choose PNG or JPG for a crisp, high-quality export. Review your file, make any final tweaks, and you are done. Thanks for watching.